Right now, on the computer you're using to watch this video, there's something running in the background that is silently eating your speed, your memory, and your battery life. It's not a virus, it's not malware, it's not even a program you installed. It's been there since the very first day you turned on your Windows 11 PC. It's been slowing down your startup, it's been freezing your apps, it's been making your fans spin loud for no reason. And the worst part? Microsoft turned it on for you by default and never told you. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what these hidden settings are, why your PC has been feeling slow even though nothing is wrong with it, and I'm going to show you the exact steps to make your Windows 11 run up to 200% faster without spending a single rupee on new hardware. But before I show you the settings, you need to understand something first, because once you see what Microsoft is doing in the background, you will never look at your quote-unquote slow PC the same way again. But before we deep dive into this topic, if you're new here, my name is Tech Reporter, and on this channel I expose the hidden truths about the technology you use every single day, the settings nobody tells you about, the tricks that actually work, and the tips that can save you money, time, and frustration. So before we begin, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a video like this one. And if you find even one useful tip in this video, smash the like button. It really helps the channel grow and pushes this video to more people who desperately need it. Alright, now let's get into it, because what I'm about to show you is going to change the way you use Windows 11 forever. Let me ask you a simple question. When you bought your Windows 11 laptop or PC, it felt fast, right? Apps opened quickly. The startup was smooth. Everything felt smooth and new. But a few weeks later, something changed. Your PC started taking longer to boot. Chrome started freezing. Even opening File Explorer felt slow. Most people think the answer is simple. My PC is old. I need more RAM. I need a new SSD. Maybe I should just buy a new laptop. But here's the truth nobody tells you. Your hardware is fine. Your PC is fine. The real problem is the settings Microsoft enabled by default. Settings that are designed to collect data, run background apps, show you ads, and load features you will never use in your life. Windows 11 is not just an operating system. It is a platform built to collect information, push Microsoft services, and run dozens of background processes 24 hours a day. And all of that is happening on your computer, using your RAM, your processor, and your internet. The good news? You can turn most of it off. And when you do, the difference is shocking. Let me show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Stay with me till the end, because the last setting I'm going to share is the one almost nobody talks about, and it alone can make your PC feel brand new. The first thing we need to fix is the junk. Right now, hidden inside your C drive, there are thousands of temporary files, cache files, leftover update files, and broken system files just sitting there, taking up space and slowing down your PC. Windows has a built-in cleaner for this called Storage Sense, but here's the problem. Microsoft keeps it turned off by default. So that junk keeps building up year after year. Open the Start menu and click on Settings. Go to System. Click on Storage. Turn Storage Sense on. Click on Cleanup Recommendations. Select See Advanced Options. Check all the boxes. Accept downloads, because that will delete your downloaded files. Click Remove Files. That's it. You just cleared gigabytes of useless data from your system. But this is only the beginning, because the next setting we're going to fix is the reason your PC is sending data to Microsoft every few seconds, even when you're doing nothing. Most people think privacy settings are only about privacy. They're not. Every time Windows 11 sends data to Microsoft, your typing patterns, your speech, your activity, your location, your advertising ID, it uses your internet, your CPU, and your RAM in the background. The more data Windows sends, the slower your PC feels, especially on low-end computers. Here's how to stop it. Go to Settings, Arrow, Privacy and Security. Click on General. Turn off all four options: Advertising ID, Language List, App Launches, Suggested Content. Go back and click Speech. Turn off online speech recognition. Click on Inking and Typing Personalization. Turn it off. Click on Diagnostic and Feedback. Turn off Send Optional Diagnostic Data. These 5 changes alone will reduce the background data your PC sends every single day, freeing up RAM and internet speed. But this is nothing compared to what we're about to do next, because Microsoft has given dozens of apps permission to run, watch, and listen in the background, and you don't even know they exist. Open your Windows 11 right now and go to Settings, Arrow, Privacy and Security Arrow, App Permissions. You will see a long list: location, camera, microphone, notifications, account info, contacts, calendar, phone calls, call history, email, messaging, radios, background apps. Here's the shocking part. Most of these are turned on by default for apps you don't even use. That means apps you've never opened are still running in the background, accessing your camera, your mic, your location, using your system resources every second. Here's how to fix it. Location, turn it off unless you use maps. Camera, turn it off unless you do video calls. Microphone arrow, turn it off unless needed. Notifications arrow, turn it off. Messaging arrow, turn it off. Contacts, phone calls, call history, email arrow, turn off for apps you don't use. Radios, leave this on, your Bluetooth needs it. Once you do this, dozens of background apps will stop using your resources. But there's still one major thing draining your speed, and it's happening the moment you turn on your computer. Have you ever wondered why your PC takes 1 to 2 minutes to feel ready after you turn it on? It's not because your PC is slow. It's because dozens of apps are starting automatically the moment Windows boots up. Spotify, Teams, OneDrive, Skype, Cortana, Office, gaming apps, printer software, all of them launch in the background before you even click anything. Each one eats RAM, each one eats CPU, each one slows down your startup. Here's how to kill them. Go to Settings arrow, Apps arrow, Startup. Sort by status. Turn off every single startup app except your antivirus. That's it. Your next restart will be dramatically faster. You'll actually feel the difference. But we're not done, because there's a setting hidden deep inside Windows that controls how your PC looks, and it's secretly using your graphics card for animations you don't even notice. Windows 11 has beautiful animations, smooth fades, sliding menus, transparent windows, shadow effects. They look nice, but every single one of them uses your GPU and RAM, especially on low-end and mid-range PCs. Here's how to turn off the ones you don't need. Press Windows key plus R. Type sysdm.cpl and hit Enter. Go to the Advanced tab. Under Performance, click Settings. Select Adjust for Best Performance. Now manually re-enable only these 4 important ones. Show thumbnails instead of icons, smooth edges of screen fonts, show window contents while dragging, show translucent selection rectangle. Click Apply, arrow OK. Your PC will now feel snappier. Menus will open instantly, windows will respond faster, and your fonts will still look clean. But the biggest speed boost is still coming, because there are hidden Windows services running in the background that 90% of users never need, and they are silently eating your performance every second. This is where most YouTube videos lie to you. They tell you to disable services without telling you which ones are actually safe to disable. Some of those tips can break your PC, so let me give you the real list. Services you can safely disable without breaking anything. Click Start, arrow, search for Services, arrow, open it. For each service below, right-click. Properties, set startup type to disabled. Apply, OK. Safe to disable. Downloaded, Maps Manager, only needed if you use the Maps app. Fax, nobody uses fax in 2024. Hyper-V services, only needed if you run virtual machines. Windows Image Acquisition, WIA, only needed if you scan documents. Geolocation service, if you don't use location apps, do not disable. Print Spooler, you need it to save PDFs in Chrome and Word. IP Helper, if you use GeoFiber or any IPv6 connection. Any antivirus services. Once you disable these, your background CPU usage will drop noticeably. Task Manager will look cleaner. Your PC will breathe. But there's still one last thing, and this is the setting I promised you at the beginning, the one almost nobody talks about. Windows has 2 hidden folders that fill up with junk every single day. Most cleaners, even CCleaner, don't fully clear them. These folders are called temp folders. One belongs to Windows itself. The other belongs to your user account. Together, they can hold 5 to 20 gigabytes of useless files at any given time, left over from updates, installations, app crashes, and browser sessions. Here's how to clear both. Clear Windows Temp. Press Windows plus R. Type temp and hit Enter. Click Continue if asked. Select all files, Control plus A, and press Delete. Skip any file that won't delete. Clear User Temp. Press Windows plus R. Type %temp% with the percent signs and hit Enter. Select all files, Control plus A, and press Delete. Skip any file that won't delete. Do this once a month and your PC will never feel clogged again. If you don't play games on your PC, Xbox Game Bar is just sitting in the background, recording, listening, and using resources for no reason. Go to Settings, Arrow, Gaming. Turn off Xbox Game Bar. Turn off Game Mode if you don't game. Turn off Capture's background recording. Your PC will use less RAM instantly, especially on systems with 4 or 8 gigabytes RAM. Let me make this simple. Right now, today, in the next 20 minutes, do these things in order. Turn on Storage Sense and clean junk. Turn off all unnecessary privacy settings. Turn off app permissions for apps you don't use. Disable all startup apps except antivirus. Adjust visual effects for best performance. Disable the Safe to Disable Windows services. Clear both temp folders. Disable Xbox Game Bar if you don't game. Then restart your PC. The moment Windows boots back up, you will feel the difference. Faster startup, faster apps, less lag, less heating, better battery life. You didn't buy new RAM. You didn't buy a new SSD. You didn't pay for any software. You just took back control of your own computer, the way it should have been from day one. Here's the truth most people will never realize. Your PC was never slow. It was just being used by Microsoft in the background. For telemetry, for ads, for services you never asked for apps you never opened. The speed was always there. The power was always there. It was just hidden behind hundreds of settings that Microsoft turned on without your permission. Today, you turned them off. Today, you took your speed back. And every time someone tells you your PC is too old or you need a new laptop, remember this video. Because the fastest upgrade you can make to your Windows 11 is free. It's just the truth, nobody told you. Now listen, if this video genuinely helped you make your Windows 11 faster, here's what I want you to do right now. First, hit that like button. It costs you nothing, but it tells YouTube that this video is helping real people, and it pushes this video to more users who are struggling with a slow PC, just like you were a few minutes ago. Second, if you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Subscribe to Tech Reporter and turn on the bell icon. Because on this channel, I post videos that expose the hidden tricks, secret settings, and real tech truths that big companies don't want you to know. The kind of videos that actually save you money and make your life easier.